So thank you to Eric and Scott for sharing the insights from Certegy's experiences. Now, what we heard from Certegy was that the autonomous data warehouse was very fast to deploy. Also, the automation included within the autonomous data warehouse freed up extra time for them to spend on analytics. And as a result, their teams were able to make better decisions and to also reduce the amount of fraud by 10%. Now, our other customers have been seeing similar benefits, and also the top global analyst firms have also been looking into the autonomous data warehouse and have also found some quite interesting statistics and facts. So IDC have reported that the autonomous data warehouse delivers a 417% return on investment over 5 years. Now, Gartner scored the autonomous data warehouse as the top performing solution in all 4 top use cases of any product on the market as part of their critical capabilities for cloud database survey. And Wikibon have also gone on the record as saying that the Oracle Autonomous Database is 50% cheaper than Amazon Web Services. Now, we have lots of additional things to support you on your journey towards an autonomous data warehouse in the cloud. If you'd like to get hands-on with the autonomous data warehouse and analytics cloud, we have a hands-on test drive on the 27th of April. If you would also like to access some of the additional resources, such as the analysts' reports and surveys, and if you'd like to do a quick tour or a quick trial of Autonomous Data Warehouse, then you'll be able to access all of this through the web page. Now, if you are ready to move forward with your Autonomous Data Warehouse and you're ready to buy cloud credits, then our commitment to you is that we will work with you to help you set up your Autonomous Data Warehouse in the cloud, and we will help you get your first workload into production, and we will do it free of charge. Thank you for your time today. We hope you found it useful, and we would be delighted to be your partner of choice on your journey to an autonomous data warehouse in the cloud.